Hi, today we will discuss function. So, what is function? Function is when we are given an input and for that we get an output. Using which we get that output, that is called function. So, let's see some example of function. If x equals to 3x minus 7 or gm equals to m square or hk equals to absolute value of k plus 3, all of them are functions. So, fx or gm or hk is considered as y value. If we write it as y, then it should be y equals to 3x minus 7. This should be y equals to m square, or this should be y equals to absolute value of k plus 3. Here x or m or k, these are independent variables because they don't depend on anyone or any other variables. And y, here or here or here, this is dependent variable because it depended on x or sometimes m or sometimes k. So function should take one value of x to only one value of y. Then only we can call it function. To get answers of your math questions, please contact me. My contact details is given in the description box. Let's discuss domain and range. For that, we will assume a function fx equals to 2x plus 5. Here we will have x values and here we will have some y values. For x, let's consider x equals to 1. For 1, we get f1 equals to 2 times 1 plus 5, that is 7. So, if 7 will be a value of y. 1 goes to 7. Now let's have x equals to 2. For x equals to 2, we get f2 equals to 2 times 2 plus 5 equals to 9. So 9 will be another value of y. Let's have x equals to 3. For x equals to 3, we get f3 equals to 2 times 3 plus 5, which is 11. So 11 will be a value of y. 11 went to y here. So 3 goes to 11. These are called domain. This 1, 2, 3, all values of x are called domain, and this 7, 9, 11, all values of y are called range. So, we can tell which are functions just by looking at the given function fx equals to 2x plus 5 or something like that. When we get one value of y for only one value of x, then it is function. So how can we tell if it is a function or not a function from graph? For that, we need to know about vertical line test. What is vertical line test? Let's check it when it is not function. I have drawn any curve, any random curve here. For that, I have drawn a vertical line. This vertical line have cut this previous curve at this point, then again at this point. So it has cut twice. It can't be a function. To be a function, it must cut only once. For one vertical line, there should be only one cut. Again, if we draw another vertical line, again here is one cut, then again here is another. So this is not a function. Now let's see a graph of a function. I have drawn a random curve here. For that, I have drawn a vertical line. This vertical line has cut only once. Then I have drawn another vertical line. This also cut only once here. Similarly, I have drawn many vertical lines and they all cut only once. If any of them has violated that rule, vertical line test, then it couldn't be a function. But for this, all of the lines have cut only once. So this is a function. To get answers of your math questions, please contact me. My contact details is given in the description box. Please like, comment and subscribe. And in the comment box, please give me suggestions for my next videos. Thank you for watching.